Let's go ahead and talk about how we can increase our harvest. We'll have our plants help us. Come on, let's take a look. A couple of our favorites in the garden, beans and cucumbers. The more you pick, the more they produce. It's a little trick that the plant has. It's wanting to produce seeds that will propagate itself. So if you continue to pull those seeds off, it'll continue to make pods. You want to get down in there, get all those beans off of there. Oh, we love purple beans. I come through here and pick beans every day and it continues to produce for us. Let's go check out these green beans. And as it warms up, these are going to start producing pretty quick. We've got flowers all over here, and just overnight, you get beans like this. They hide in here pretty good too. You don't want to let these get too big, and by continually picking, you're going to continually get a harvest. I knew that was in there. Our first yellow cucumber. We got a ton of flowers in here. I want them to go ahead and continue to produce. These are wonderful. And it's cooled off to about 80 degrees right now. It was 108 degrees heat index today. Well, it's summer, what do you expect? Sunflowers are loving it. You can do this too. You keep picking your beans, your cucumbers, your peas. The plant will help you make that harvest last all summer long. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.